Welcome on unboxing. No. So hope so video still work. We have 5 minutes. With this stuff, we never do 5 minutes. Eat faster. One, two. Yeah. Don't show my address, so make sure. That's crazy. I made faster because no space on the hard drive. Underneath is my address. Come on, Jerry. No. Yeah, that's right. Tape. 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 Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh, really? Dum, 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 dum. Yes. Yes. Nice like that. Oh. Make sure I don't show my address. Yeah. On the bottom is address. So don't show. Right. It's like Christmas. That's too many wraps, so you know. I make faster because I have 5 minutes on hard drive. Stage. It's good. Thank you to owner. It's nice. Wrap me. Nice, you know, not nice. Finally, yeah, that's okay. There it is, linear turntable, Technics SL Q6. There we go. Nice wrap. Yep. This is good job. Thank you. Thank you, owner. Really nice job. Thumbs up. Oh yeah. Here is bottom stuff. That's why it's not working. Look at that. Here is crack. So I checked the circuit board. Yeah. There it is. Look at that. It's a nice turntable. Technics SL Q6. Do you see that? It's decently heavy. Oh yeah. This is a really nice job. Yeah. Up in here. Oh. Platter is okay. Let's listen. This is direct drive, so that's okay. This is direct drive motor. Oh my goodness. We need to pay new one. Oh my god. Mat is really shit. I pay new one. That looks awful. Oh, no plug. Yeah, it's here, yeah. Yeah, we can try later. So you see, that's how it looks. Oh yeah. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. Oops, 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 don't broke it. So let's have a look to detail. Stylus? Yeah, we got some stylus. Yeah. The Q quartz, of course. That's why Q, because that's contain quartz. Yep. Let's have a look to closer. So let's dive in deeply and have a look too closely. So SL Q6 mean quartz. Do you see that? With button? All remoting. And here it is. Look at that. Style still in there. Such is cool. Here is a follower with scanning for queuing whole vinyl. Oh yeah, platter still a little bit shit. Look at that. The rubber, I need to pay new one. Oh fuck's sake. It's disgusting. It's shit, you know. That's disgusting. Look at the platter. So what we have here? Oh, size, auto, manual. No working. Oh yeah. Yeah. Sense. Speed. Yeah. Just looks cool. Look at that. Wow. It's like from Technoman video. You see that? Some dial. Interest. And there is issue. You see that? I seen on many videos, lots of videos been broken. American, British, whatever. You see the circuit board that will be supposed to be cracked. Yeah. You see the detail. And here is backside. See the main inputs, outputs. Check, this is for remote control, for synchronize with tape recorder, for compact cassettes. Yeah, do you see that? So, we are plugged in, so let's see. Oh, we alive? Really? Nope. Oh, we alive? Look at that. Lights is work. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. Turn arm is working, but bladder is that. Bladder is that. Work. That's cool. Computer good. Repeat and stop bladder. Yeah, look at that. So first track. Wow, it's still alive. The trouble will be in the motor. Do you see that? Stop. Play. Open. So closed. And try play. Look at that. The stylus is moving. No. Q. Open. Restart. Oh yeah, stylus something doing. Look at that. Now it's get back. Yeah. This looks like motor is gone. Look at this again. You need bring vinyl. Of course, mat is shit I bring out. Need close. And press play. Motor is work. Motor is work. Press play. Okay. Right. Let's open. And so look at this, it's working. We didn't bring vinyl, but we're missing stylus. Oh, don't broken my vinyl. This is disco of the 70s. Yes, the turntable is working. It's fully work. Alright. Turntable is live. That's cool. Trouble is with motor. Oh yeah? So see you next time on the fix this nice linearity turntable. Thanks for watching. And get me some like and subscribe or comment, whatever. Try me support. I will be really appreciate. Yep, that's always. Bye!